Here it comes. It's a dot again. I know, but I can't see it. You can see it's my own reflection.
Let me just do one high-speed passing, and then you can stop.
Well, come down low, I guess.
Here we go.
It's not very low. Come down low. Don't get too steep. You can get lower than that. All I can see is my stupid reflection.
Yeah, that's good enough.
One more time. 1 minute. It's only 1 minute. It's starting to flash now. It's pretty good. Just hit that. Why come it's flashing?
I don't know. Probably
the red thing?
I didn't check a message or something.
No, the red thing is flashing.